LEADWELL CNC Machines Manufacturing Corporation, professional and leading machinery manufacturer. LEADWELL CNC Machines Manufacturing Corporation has devoted ourselves to the field of CNC machine manufacturing. Over the years, we have taken slow but steady steps in order to grow and to prosper. We pursue greatness, and in return we earn respect. We encourage our employees to think and be proactive regarding the potential demands of customers. By doing so, we fulfill the current and potential needs of customers and maintain high customer loyalty. LEADWELL CNC Machines Manufacturing Corporation has industry-leading human resources, and this results in our high-quality and high-tech machines. We constantly introduce new technologies into our design, and this ensures our leading position among the industry manufacturers. LEADWELL CNC mainly produces vertical machining centers and turning centers. We provide a flexible range and even customized machines that cater to the different needs of our global customers. Complete quality control with numerous tests to ensure the quality of our machines. Quality control is LEADWELL's core value. Placing high priority on quality wins our customers' trust. LEADWELL CNC has well-established sales and service channels. LEADWELL was ranked as the top exporter in the industry during 1985 to 1997. We target international markets and we participate in numerous global exhibitions. LEADWELL has successfully entered the European and US markets with our own brands. We have not only received the trust of customers, but have also received numerous awards. Integrity, passion, and sensitivity are the core values of LEADWELL. Our winning points are speed, accuracy, and efficiency. This includes internal management and breeding a young generation of professionals via industry cooperation. Nevertheless, we also realize our social responsibility through various donations and social activities that benefit minorities in society. In the future, LEADWELL will continue to pursue the spirit of excellence while introducing new quality models to raise the market standard. We also aim to become one of the top 3 most famous manufacturers in Taiwan. LEADWELL now represents Taiwanese CNC machines. LEADWELL CNC Machines Manufacturing Corporation.